else.
Stop. And I needed an excuse to stomp all over my dreams, but you're still my best friend.
I had to tell the truth, you know, because I love you.
Yep, that's Maxima Maria. Come on, let's go look at some boring books for boring English.
English is not boring. I know what you're gonna say.
What's the matter? Why are you crying? You wanna go? Do you wanna go in the house? Yeah, we just parked. Hold on, we gotta bring all those stuff in.
We're in the car wash today.
Yeah.
The cleaning part is now being applied to your vehicle.
It's okay. It's okay. We're doing a car wash. I had you for 6 years. And I never brought you in a car wash. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. It's just a car wash. It's okay. Yeah, you're a good girl. Oh my goodness. What's going on? Are you cleaning the car? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. You just put the colorful one on. Oh my goodness. And now we're back at my mom's babysitting Lola after our little car wash. I don't think Rosie likes the car wash for her first time, but once the camera was off and I said it's okay, she went to lay down in her car seat and everything. Fine. You go in the sun with Lola? What do you think? Come on. Come in the sun. Come. Come, Rosie. Come. Want to sunbathe in the sun? I don't think I can see you properly. Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my, oh, my. You want to play with Mommy's socks? You're such a chihuahua for that. You want to play? You want to play? Lola, Lola. My goodness. Lola. Lola.